What do you think about those raspberries, Brennan?
Priceless.
Yep. Ooh, red tongue. And I've got to put him back in my mouth because it feels good. It's cold. Oh! Is that good stuff? Look how red her lips are.
Keely, you like your red raspberries?
Let's see if Keely makes the same face or not. Are you eating your red raspberries yet?
Yeah, I'm eating them.
Not the same face. Keely really played it up to the camera. She made a good face. I think I'd probably make the same face Brennan does. I like it. It's just kind of, you know, tart.
I knew her.
Thank you. Say bye, Brennan. Bye.